The raccoons knew something Chike didn't want anyone to find out, and they weren't leaving until he confessed. In the small town of Timmins, Ontario, where mining trucks rumble through the streets and the northern forests stretch endlessly beyond the city limits, Chike Asante was about to discover that some secrets have a way of surfacing in the most impossible ways. Chike Asante was 45, a hardworking mechanic who owned a small auto repair shop on Algonquin Boulevard. Every morning at 6 a.m., he would arrive at his garage, start up his white Ford pickup truck, and drive to the local Tim Hortons before opening his shop.